Graph each inequality and write the solution set using both set builder and interval notations. The inequality we're looking at is 3a minus 5 is less than or equal to negative 2a plus 6. I begin by adding 5 to both sides of the inequality, and that gives me 3a is less than or equal to negative 2a plus 11, since 6 plus 5 is 11. Now I can add 2a to both sides of the inequality, and I have 5a is less than or equal to 11. And now I can multiply both sides of the inequality by 1/5. Since I'm multiplying by a positive number, I do not change the direction of the inequality symbol, and I have a is less than or equal to 11/5. The solution of this inequality would be all numbers that are less than or equal to 11/5. So I can graph that solution by marking off 11/5 on a number line and shading in all numbers that are less than or equal to 11/5. I use a bracket to show that I'm including 11/5, and then I shade all the numbers to the left of 11/5. And this indicates all numbers less than or equal to 11/5. And I can write the solution set as, in set builder notation, the set of all a such that a is less than or equal to 11/5. Or, in interval notation, I can write this as the interval from negative infinity to 11/5, including 11/5.